Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. Building the ultimate AMD Ryzen 7 Gaming PC 2021. This is our main gaming PC build guide, the set of components we'd recommend to anyone wanting to put together a new system that balances pricing and performance. All thanks to the continuing gaming GPU. Things do seem to be improving and you can at least buy pretty much everything on this list for a normal price. But yeah, graphics cards are still horrendously overpriced whenever they're available. C'est la vie, I guess. We've had our hands on all these parts at some point or another, and we only recommend the products that we'd want in our own gaming PCs. If this isn't quite what you're looking for, also check out our budget PC build guide and high-end PC build guide. Gigabyte X570 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi. Gigabyte aims its Aorus badged lineup at the gaming and enthusiast segment, with models usually including extras like RGB LEDs, armor on the PCIe and/or DIMM slots, ESD cards, a solid system monitoring, cooling ecosystem and generally more focus on styling. The X570 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi embodies this, while sitting in the lower end of the line's product stack, with a couple of budget boards the only lower priced options. We also reviewed the X570 Aorus Elite in the lineup. Like other X570 boards, the Gigabyte X570 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi supports both Ryzen 2000 and Ryzen 3000 series processors and includes 6 SATA ports, a pair of PCIe 4.0 x 4M.2 slots, and 4 DIMM slots capable of supporting up to 128 GB of DDR4 RAM with overclock speeds up to DDR4 4400 MHz. For networking and audio, we find an Intel i2 11 NIC and Realtek ALC 1220 audio codec which is capable of 7.1 surround. Below is a complete list of specifications from Gigabyte's website. Included accessories are minimal, as is the norm now with most budget boards. That said, most of what you need to get started is included. Here's a list of what ships in the box, along with the board. User's manual, installation guide, support, driver, DVD, 2T2R Wi-Fi antenna, 4x SATA cables, 2x screws for M2 slot, Aorus badge, G connector, 4-pin RGB extension cable. Samsung 980, SSD 500GB up to 3500 MB per second, PCIe 3.0 NVMe M2 2280, internal solid-state drive. AMD Ryzen 7 desktop processor, 8 cores up to 4.4 GHz, 36 MB cache, AM4 socket. Asus TUF Nvidia RTX 3060. Looks like there may be a pumped-up version of the RTX 3060 Ti squeezing its way into Nvidia's Ampere graphics card lineup, the RTX 3060 Ultra. The leaked custom Asus TUF gaming GPU, via WCC Fetch, looks to be packing a beefier memory capacity than even the RTX 3080, with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory to call its own. It does have a smaller 192-bit memory bus, down from 256-bit, so accessing that memory may take a little longer. Don't worry about this affecting your games though. At the speeds we're likely to see, the difference is probably negligible. This mid-low range card will pack the same 8nm process nodes as the rest of the 30 series lineup, but contain fewer CUDA cores than its T counterpart, that's 3840 cores, as opposed to the RTX 3060 Ti's 4864 cores. It features a 2.7 slot, triple fan design with 0 dB cooling tech, and a robust aluminum casing, too. As an ultra-tier variant, the card is set to outperform the RTX 3060 Ti, even with that lower core count behind it. It may even give the RTX 3070 a run for its money, and it lines up nicely as a contender to AMD's Radeon RX 6700, though we are not exactly sure of the rest of the numbers just yet. Corsair Room Series RM850, 850 watt, 80 plus gold certified, fully modular power supply, Microsoft Modern Standby. Cooler Master Case H500A RGB ATX tower with mesh and transparent front panel option, dual 200mm ARGB fans, and a tempered glass side panel. Okay, all computer parts assembled, ready to AMD Ryzen 7 Gaming PC 2022. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.